Have you ever wondered how a small baby manages to grow into a tall teenager? Or how a deep scrape on your knee heals and closes right up after just a few days? That repair work is done by a special nutrient called protein. You can think of proteins as the master builders of the human body, responsible for every inch of physical growth and every piece of tissue that needs fixing. If you look closely at how a protein is made, you will find it is constructed from smaller building blocks called amino acids. Imagine them as individual bricks that link together to build a strong wall. The body takes these individual bricks and arranges them in different patterns to do different jobs. Some combinations build strong muscle, some create new skin to heal wounds, and others form tiny internal shields called antibodies, which fight off diseases like malaria. Because you are constantly growing, fighting off germs, and repairing normal wear and tear, your body is essentially a never-ending construction site. To keep building, it requires a fresh delivery of new bricks every single day. Here is the catch. Your body cannot manufacture all of the essential amino acid bricks it requires on its own. It has to acquire them from your diet, specifically from two main types of food suppliers. The first group is known as high biological value proteins. You can think of these as premium supply pallets. They contain every single essential brick your body needs, all wrapped up in one complete package. These premium pallets come from animal sources. Foods like fresh beef, milk, lake fish, and eggs are examples of these complete proteins. The second group consists of low biological value proteins. These are your everyday builders. They are highly affordable and easy to find, but they naturally lack one or two of the specific essential bricks your body requires. You will find these proteins in plant sources. Things like dry beans, peas, groundnuts, and soya are common examples. While some believe you must eat expensive meat to be healthy, you can get those same results through smart combinations. If you eat a plant protein alongside a carbohydrate, their missing bricks merge together to form a complete set. This means a simple plate of beans combined with maize provides your body with the same building power as a much more expensive piece of roasted beef. Getting those amino acid bricks into your stomach is only the first step. Before your body can actually absorb them, the raw materials have to be properly prepared in the kitchen. When you expose protein to heat, it undergoes a process called coagulation. The heat changes the shape of the liquid proteins and hardens them into solids. This is how a raw, clear egg turns solid white in a frying pan, making it safe to eat. But high heat requires care. If you overcook meat at extremely high temperatures for too long, the protein shrinks. This binds the building blocks so tightly together that the meat becomes tough and difficult for your stomach to digest. Plant proteins present a different challenge. Dry foods like beans and peas are encased in a tough outer shell that your body's digestive system cannot easily break down on its own. To solve this, you need to soak dry beans in clean water overnight. This step softens the tough fibers and releases natural compounds that might otherwise upset your stomach. As a practical benefit, beans that have absorbed water overnight will cook much faster, which saves your household valuable firewood and charcoal. Whether you are managing the heat on a piece of meat or soaking dry legumes, proper kitchen preparation is what makes these proteins accessible, allowing your body to easily extract and use the essential bricks inside. What happens to the internal construction site if the delivery trucks stop arriving? Imagine a growing child whose daily meals consist entirely of starchy foods, leaving their body without new protein bricks. When a diet relies strictly on filling, carbohydrate-heavy foods, like pure pasho, cassava, or plain matoke, without any added protein, the body runs out of the materials it needs to maintain its own tissues. This severe lack of building materials leads to a condition known as kwashiorkor. You can see the physical signs when a child lacks protein. Their upward growth stunts, their hair becomes thin and brownish, and they develop a swelling called edema, which causes fluid to pool and expand the belly. Kwashiorkor is essentially a complete nutritional failure. Without those daily protein bricks, the body's internal structures begin to fail. It loses the ability to balance its own fluids and can no longer produce the antibodies needed to fight off common infections. Because this is a nutritional issue, the treatment involves adjusting the child's diet to include soft, easily digestible proteins. highly affordable local foods can start the repair process. A scoop of dried mucane or silverfish powder or some mashed soya can be stirred directly into a standard bowl of porridge to provide the missing amino acids the body is waiting for. Whether you use fresh fish or a simple bowl of soaked beans, a daily intake of protein gives your body what it needs. It provides your internal master builders with the materials to survive, heal, and grow strong.